about, so we have people like Ian, we have people like Han, also there too in Social Development Factory. Last July, we did a Social Development Factory. In the Social Development Factory, we bring up this idea to create a scholarship program. And it's 2 months, we design it and make it happen. And look at this. This is what is we get today. What is their experience? And we could do many things better, right? We could do many things better because everything can be better, right? Because it's so important for us to find ourselves, to be finding a better version of us every day. So even we're getting better, but what we have created already for them, that is their experience. That's blow my hand, blow my mind, blow my heart to see the experience. Because what we have created together here, we could never find something like this until now. We created for it as a social organization by doing our own livings, own food, and then we also stand for the community. So that's why probably we are the only one who reserve the right to call ourselves a superhero in real life. And I'd like to say thank you very much for all the great work you're joining right now. Nancy did a lot of great work last few weeks for organizing this GUP. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rock, for getting back and getting the good speed. I say thank you very much. You've been there for a long period of time. It's a great thing. Thank you very much for your great effort in the MC role. It's a lot of work, I know. And we'll throw out a lot of challenging script to you. But thank you. I think you did it really well. Thank you very much. Thank you. You recently joined. You see that our speed, the thing we do, and people like you, we can do better.
Yes, everything going better.
Everything going better because it's so important to find a better version, right? Thank you very much, Mike. Your design was so good. It's so mind-blowing. Look at this, our logo. It's so touching, and it's your design. Thank you very much. We always want to have your design touch in every material we have. Thank you very much. Thank you, Truk. You are one of the scholars again. Being a scholar, you become our member, and you become a tech lady. The lady is a tech lady now. Hard to find, you know. Tech lady, hard to find, and also as a VSHR member. Thank you very much. We'd love to see you, and we'd love to see you grow bigger super in VSHR. Thank you very much. Thank you. You joined us recently. Your camera was powerful, and I believe that you have captured so many great photos. I'm dying to see these photos, you know, because those are the photos, those are the moments we worked on so hard to create. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes.
You recently joined in, and you can see that our team, what we do, what we believe about, what you want to do. And a person like you, we can bring this with more students. And like I said, that VSHR Academy is not for only running in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. We want to run it all over Vietnam. Every city we want to run it. Not only one place. And you guys will be leading to make it happen. Thank you very much. A person like you,
Yes.
welcome. And so all unsung heroes. Always been there since the beginning. And Pastor in the factory. Thank you very much. Yeah. Keep doing what you're doing right now. It's so important, you know. Everybody has a positive side and negative side. And strong, strength, and weakness. So let's focus on our strength. That's the hero superhero does. So keep doing it. Thank you very much, yeah, for your great work. You did a lot of work. And like an example, I remember those texts at midnight. John, we have to do this one. John, this is something need to be done. John, this is okay. I said, wow, that's great. I mean, let's thank you very much. Thank you very much. And let's give a big hand to all members. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Real life superheroes. Thank you very much. And today we are closing 2018, but you're going to start in right now in 2019. And like I said, everything needs to get better. And with you, it's going to happen for sure. Thank you very much.